In this video, I would like to show you the difference between statement and expression. So what does it mean? So the difference between statement and expression is that expression give you value back. So it give you some result, some value, and you can do with the value whatever you want. But statement, it doesn't. So it means, for example, if I write something like this, so this is a variable, it can be age, I will write just x, x is variable, and I will store in the variable number 10. So it means this is a statement, okay? It doesn't give us back some value. So if I write, for example, something like this, and print some string greater than 0. So again, this is statement. That's the reason why we call it if-else statement. So again, it just prints something in the terminal, but it doesn't give us back the value, okay? But expression give you value back. So if I write, for example, something like this, so the result will be 6, okay? And the 6 is the value which we gives back. So and we can store it in variable and do with it whatever we want, okay? For example, here I will write something like this. So this is the length of the string. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the result will be 5 letters. Okay, length of the string, how many letters is there? So again, it gives us back the value, the result, 5, and we can do with 5 whatever we want. Okay, and we spoke about ternary operator. So if I will do some very simple, it is true if 5 is greater than 0, else give me back it is false. And we said that again, this is expression. Why? Because it gives us back the value. So I can do anything like this. And so it means store in a result variable this string, it is true, or this string. It depends on condition. Okay? So again, expression gives us back some value. Okay, and we can store the value in the variable, we can evaluate the value, whatever we want. But statement, it doesn't give us back value. It's only some task. So take number 10 and store it in variable x. Evaluate number x or variable x. Is it greater than 0? If yes, print this. But it doesn't give us back value. So you can't write anything like sorry. You can't write anything like this, for example. Okay, it doesn't make sense. So give me some value back and store it in, for example, result 2. Okay, something like that. It doesn't make sense. Okay, because it doesn't give us back value. So everything in programming language you can divide between state and expression. Okay, so there's a reason why we called if-else statement. It's an official name, if-else statement, and this is the statement because it doesn't give us a back value. But for example, ternary operator is an expression because it gives value back.